What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So in this tutorial I will ask you, are you a teacher? If no, then assume yourself as a teacher. So what we will do in this code is, as a teacher you have given a marks a student, so you have to find the mean of the marks of students. Mean, it means the average marks of the your class. So how can you find that? How can you find that? Let's use one amazing thing, Python. Python use dir. No, not here, we want here, dir. So as you know, there are built-in function in Python like print. You know what print does. You know other functions. To find all the list of functions, we use dir underscore underscore built in underscore underscore. No directory. What I have done wrong? Okay, guys, it is not built in. It is built ins. Let me show you. Under dir underscore underscore uil t ins underscore underscore. Here you will get the all built-in function of Python which you can do. Here I have searched it. There is no option to find the average of the number. So how can we do that? Okay, guys, to know what any particular function do, we have to just click help. Let's say name of the function. If we use sorted, it will give the brief information of what the function does. So let back to our topic. Let's see how can you find the average marks of students. First of all, you create a new function called average marks equals to, then we create a list, 50 comma 60 comma 50 comma 40 comma, we have only 4 students. So now as we find our marks of student, let us find the function which can help us to find the average marks. Here is a function called sum. We all know what sum does. My sum equals to sum AVER average marks, uh, and let's find another function. Here is len. Len gives the length of the any function, any variable. Let's say length equals to len AVER average marks. Length equals to average marks. Now we know the formula for the average marks, that total marks upon total number. So let's do it. Average equals to sum upon length, print ever. Now Let's print it. Python py. What kind of error we have got? Okay, friends, I find my mistake. I put there sum, but I have to put this function called mysum. Now let's print our function python py. Let's see, we got that our class average marks are 47.5. It's pretty low, but it's okay.